Hey guys, this is Scott from Trim That Weed, and welcome to our video of the best LED light bulbs for outdoor fixtures. Watch till the end to find out our best recommendation from the list. Let's begin with Torchstar Dusk to Dawn light bulbs. The Torchstar Dusk to Dawn light bulbs are one of the most ideal LED bulbs you can install as outdoor fixtures. The bulbs come with a sensitive dusk to dawn sensor that only detects sunlight and switches off automatically to save energy. Since the sensor only detects sunlight, it cannot switch off in the presence of other LED fixtures or other light sources. This makes it ideal for outdoor lamps, garages, gardens, and porches. Other features the Torchstar light bulbs have include the production of 800 lumens of light, enhancing safety and protection, UL and Energy Star listing, which symbolizes quality, and lastly, a 3-year warranty instead of 1 year for most other LED products. Parc Parc30 Outdoor Light Bulb. The Parc Parc30 Outdoor Light Bulb is an energy-saving, high-performance, and environment-safe LED bulb that you can pick for your outdoor fixtures. The LED bulb has 900 lumens, a warm white light of 3000 K, indicating a warm, inviting environment, and is dimmable to allow users to adjust to the brightness they wish. The other features that the bulb has include the E26 base, which makes it easy to install and does not contain mercury or other hazardous gases which are detrimental to the environment. The Parc Parc30 outdoor light bulbs can be used to light up garages, gardens, or porches. Meconard 24-pack LED S14 replacement light bulbs. The Meconard 24-pack are waterproof and shatterproof light bulbs, hence perfect for string lights. They are 1-watt LED filament bulbs whose brightness equals 11 watts of incandescent bulb lamps, therefore saving up to 90% of energy consumption. In addition to energy consumption, the Meconards are also designed so that they have good heat dissipation. They cannot overheat when used even for extended periods of time. The Meconard have a warranty of 2 years and spans up to 2,500 hours of use. The Meconard lifetime makes them stand out as cost-effective lights, saving the user budget-wise. Which is the best? The Torchstar Dusk to Dawn light bulbs are the best outdoor LED bulbs to consider due to their phenomenal features that cannot be found in other light bulbs. These features include the ability to automatically switch on and off by sensing sunlight alone, and the UL and Energy Star listing, which symbolizes not only safety, but also high quality. Thanks for watching.